Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurul Farha. So today I will explain to you the concept of the creative notes for our group on creative thinking and problem solving. So as we can see here, basically we divided all the topics into few parts, then put it under four main topics, which are definition and concept, thinking in Islamic perspective, tools of thinking, and creative challenges. We put the creative thinking and problem solving, also review and creativity under the definition and concept. Then we put the thinking style in Quran and ijtihad under the thinking in Islamic perspective. Then all the tools of thinking, which are brainstorming, 6 thinking heads, scamper, concept fan, creative pause, and focus. Then for the creative challenges, actually we only have one topic under it, which is creative challenge. Okay. In addition, actually we put it on all these topics a hyperlink, as we can see, like a chain after the word of the topics, like as after the creative thinking and problem solving, have a chain beside it. So when we click the chains, it will go directly to another link that contain the mind map on and further explanation on that topics. So I will go further on my part, which is on definition and concept, on creative thinking and problem solving, also on scamper. So I go on creative thinking and problem solving first, definition and concept first. Okay, so when I click the link, I will go directly to here. Okay, so this is my map on introduction to creative thinking, problem solving, and encouragement to think. So I divided it into 5 parts. First on what is thinking, then what is creativity, what is problem solving, what is creative thinking, and Islamic worldview on thinking and creativity. So for the definition, I make it into points because for me it is easier for us to understand the definition. And for others, I don't put much explanation because if I want to put all the explanation here, it will be much longer. So I just make it into points also. Yeah, as you can see here, what is creativity? They have 3 parts. What is problem solving? Have 3 parts. Islamic worldview on thinking and creativity also have 3 parts. What is creativity? Also have 3 parts. Then what is thinking? Have 4 parts. Okay, that's all for me on my first topic.
Okay, hi everyone. Let's move to the second topic of creative thinking and problem solving, which is worldview and creativity. Okay, and this topic is under definition and concept. Let's zoom in. Okay, and we just can click the link and it will automatically connect to the notes of second topic, which is worldview and creativity. Okay, for topic 2, you can see here there is a small mind map, right? It is the overview that maybe you cannot see, so you can zoom the content. Okay, you can click this image so you know, oh, the topic is about creativity, like that. So what is creativity? It is the tendency to generate ideas, alternative, useful possibilities in solving problems, communicate with others, and entertain ourselves and others. This is question of methodology, and these are the example of the question. So what is creative thinking? It is a way of looking at problems from fresh perspectives to get a solution. Move to the what is problem solving? It is a process of working through details of problem to reach the solution. And there is ideal problem solving here. IDEAL. I, identify problem. D, define the problem. E, explore possible strategy. A, act on the strategy. And L, look back and evaluate the effect of your action or activity. Okay, you can drag the cursor to see the next branches. Quranic worldview for creativity. There is Tawheed, Islah, Itqan, Ta'mir, Tafakkur, and Ibda. This is all about creativity. Okay, there is creative and critical thinking differences here. So just click the link if you want to know about the differences of creative and critical thinking. So it will bring you to the YouTube video immediately.
Do your students have the skills to solve those problems? To become a good problem solver, students must be able to think in 2 ways, creatively and critically. Creative.
Okay, next let's move to the next branches, which is 4 stages of creativity. You can click the link and see. This is the picture of the 4 stages of creativity, which is preparation, incubation, elimination, and verification. These are the 4 stages of creativity. Okay, that's all for the mind map for topic 2. You can click the minus one to see the whole of the mind map. Alright.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I am Atira. I would like to share my mind map entitled Thinking Side in the Al-Quran. This is the mind map. This topic is the topic 3 in the course outline creative thinking and problem solving. This mind map has 3 subtopics. The first one is how Al-Quran motivates us to think. There are 6 points here. And the second subtopic is thinking style in Al-Quran. There are many thinking style that mentioned in Al-Quran, but I just list up 16 thinking styles. The third subtopic is inquisitive thinking. This subtopic explains detail about inquisitive thinking. In this mind map, I also attached one article related to inquisitive thinking. This is the article Questioning Style in the Al-Quran and their Impact on Human Thinking, a conceptual analysis.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ellie, and inshallah I will continue for the next part, which is Al-Ijtihad. What is Al-Ijtihad? You can just click on the link here. So automatically it will appear like this one. So if you want to know what is Al-Ijtihad, you can click at this link and automatically it will appear it's linked through the YouTube. So this is the definition of Ijtihad. Is also Ijma', Qiyas and Tafakur, but it's only we want to know about Ijtihad. Okay, so if you want to know about the definition of Al-Ijtihad, you just click by this button and automatically it will appear like this. The definition of Al-Ijtihad is literally means striving or assertion. It is defined as the effort by a mujtahid in order to infer with a degree of probability the rules of Sharia from the details evident in the sources. So if you want to know about domain of Ijtihad, just click at here and it will appear. And you can read by your own. And for the relationship between Ijtihad and creativity, if you click at that button, it will appear like this. And then if you want to know more, both Ijtihad and creativity are parts of worshipping Allah. So if you click on this link, divide by 3. What is Ijtihad itself, creativity and also mujtahid. By point of Ijtihad also have another what we call another cabang. So you can read by your own, also creativity and mujtahid. So let's continue for the last one. For part of Al-Ijtihad is the importance of Al-Ijtihad. If you click on this link, it will appear like this. So the importance of Ijtihad, divide by 5. You can read by your own. That's all for Ijtihad. Continue for the next part. Thank you.
Okay, next let's move to the topic 5, which is brainstorming under tool of thinking. This is the first topic under the tool of thinking. Okay, we can zoom this and just click the link to connect to the brainstorming. Okay, so here it is the brainstorming topic. Okay, for topic 5, you can see here it is a simple mind map because brainstorming is quite a simple topic. But when you see the mind map, you can easily understand about the overview of brainstorming. There are only 4 branches of brainstorming, so you can zoom to see the content of mind map. You can click this picture to know, oh, this mind map is about brainstorm. Alright, so what is the definition of brainstorm? It is technique by which efforts are made to find a conclusion for a specific problem by gathering some ideas contributed by group members. So when you make a brainstorm, you can see the ideas. Okay, the importance of brainstorm: give new ideas, help you work through problems and improve your creative thinking. That's why brainstorm is important. How to brainstorm? Firstly, you need to set the groups. Secondly, you need to present the problems and define it. And the third is guide the discussion. And the last one is use provocation and random input. Okay, we can see the last branches of this mind map, which is top 19 brainstorming technique. It is example of brainstorming techniques. You just click the link to connect it with the sites. Okay, it will bring you to the site immediately. 19 top brainstorming techniques to generate ideas for many situations. You can see here in analytic brainstorming like mind map, reverse brainstorm, gap filling, reverse analysis, SWOT analysis. You can use this in many situations, the 5 whys, starbursting, and many others. So that's all for topic 5, mind map. So you can click the minus button to see the whole mind map here.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I am Atira. I would like to share my second mind map entitled 6 Thinking Hat. This is mind map 6 Thinking Hat, one of the two creative thinking introduced by Edward de Bono. This mind map summarizes about 6 thinking hat based on color. The first one is blue hat, and then white hat, red hat, green hat, yellow hat, and the last one is black hat.
Then next, I will go further to the scamper under the tools of thinking. So when I click the link, I click the link here, so I will go directly to the scamper, to the another link. Okay. So basically, I divided it into 7 parts, which is represent all the alphabet. S for substitute, C for combine, A for adapt, M for modify, P for put to another use, E for eliminate, and R for reverse. So actually, for each alphabet, I make it into 2 points, which is for the definition and example. Okay. I give you one example on combine. Okay, so the definition of the combine is combine ideas, processes, products into one more efficient output. So the example or the application on it is combining a smartphone and camera into one device.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I will proceed to the next topic, which is concept fan. Here you can see the word concept fan, and when you click to the link given, so it will lead you to the concept fan mind map. Here's there are mind map. In this mind map, I use the features like pictures, and all the points are colored differently so that it become more interesting and help us to differentiate between the main point and subtopic point. And for the concept fan, when you click to this link, you will see the YouTube that tells about the concept fan by using the photo. Not only that, there is a step to use. If I use this point, maybe you cannot see how we want to use it. So when you click to the link, you can see. Okay, you can see how to make the how to use the step of concept fan by using this website. Okay, thank you. Okay, the next topic is creative pause. As same as before, when you click to this link, to that particular link, you can see this my map of creative pause that I make it in the others features or in others type of my map. So here I simplify all the notes given, and also there is a link about the creative pause, so it will link you to the next website. When you click to the link, you will see the website about the creative pause, and you can read this.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I am Atira. I would like to share my third mind map entitled Focus. Focus is one of the tool creative thinking, and this mind map explain about first focus definition, and the second effect after simple focus have been made, third focus occasion, fourth type of creative application, and the last one type of focus. I also attached in this mind map a book written by Edward de Bono entitled Serious Creativity. This is the book you can download if you want to read more about focus.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ellie, and Now, let's continue to the next topic, which is creative challenge. So, by clicking on this link, it will bring us to this topic. Topic 10, creative challenge. What is on the topic is what is creative challenge, what to challenge, type of creative challenge, tips for challenging assumption, practicing creative challenge. So, if you want to know what is the definition of creative challenge, just click on this button. It will appear like this, challenging the uniqueness of the way we do things or look at things. So, what to challenge? Just click on this button. It will appear like this. Alright, Bismillah. Alright, so for the type of creative challenge, also click on this and it will appear like this. Oh, sorry, this one. Okay, so for the tips for challenging assumption, click on this button. Here I attach the link. So this link will bring us to this one. Wait, okay, this one, challenging assumption. This is there are a lot of tips. There is a 10 tips, so you can read by your own. Just click on this link if you want to know more. So let's proceed to the last one, which is practicing creative challenge. Okay, here also the link here will bring to YouTube. Okay, this one, YouTube, how to train your imagination by using creative challenge. So if you want to know how to train your imagination, just click on this link and you will know how to train your imagination. Thank you.